Business finance. Business finance is concerned with planning, raising, controlling, and administering the funds in business. The purpose of business finance is also to ensure the business has adequate operating funds and that it is spending and investing its money carefully and wisely. An example of business finance is the process of securing the funds for a new business venture. Sources of business finance. First is international sources. They provide both secured and unsecured loans to borrowers. For instance, commercial banks offer a variety of loans while insurance company can utilize their idle cash as sources of funds. Specialized financial institution provide loans for a specific purposes. Example is commercial banks, investment banks, insurance companies. The second one is non-institutional sources. Financial sources that are not from formal financial institutions like banks, credit unions, and insurance companies. Example of non-institutional sources is personal savings, crowdfunding, and venture capitalist. The last one is borrow funds. These are funds borrowed from outsider as loans of or borrowing. Example of this is bank loans, lines and credit.
So next is internal sources. So these are funds generated from inside the business, such as collection of receivable and disposing of surplus inventories. For example, is retained earnings, sales of assets, capitals, and so next is external sources. These include suppliers, investors, and lenders. So examples are private equity, bank loans, and one example could be your family and friends when they invest in your company or you borrowed a funds in your family and friends. Next is the two types of shares, equity share and preference share. So the difference between the two types of shares is that equity shares do not offer the fixed dividend while the preference share offer a fixed dividend. And also, equity share have the right to vote in a company decision while preference share do not.
Bootstrapping refers to starting and growing a company with little or no external capital or investment, often repaying on personal savings, revenue generation, and carefully resources allocation to fund growth and operation. Loans. A loan is when you borrow money from someone or like a banks with promise bi- pay it back later, usually with interest added. For example, when your business is want to expand or buy a new equipment and your company does not have enough budget for that, so that you can loan in bank and that can pay it with interest. Investors are individuals or entities that provide funds to a business or project in exchange for ownership, stake, or the promise of the future returns. Angel investors, it might be your family or your relatives and friends, businessman that can help your business to grow or expand. Crowdfunding is a way for individuals or businesses to raise a money by collecting small contribution from a large number of people. Typically, it might be via online platforms, and it's like granting support from the crowd or friends and supporters who can chip a little bit of money and help to fund a project or a business idea. Grants. Grants are financial award given by the governments, foundation, or other entities to support project, research, or initiative that align with their goals or properties. For examples, when a small business owner has a project or idea, he can propose to it in mayor or councilor to have a support to start their business without paying it back. Equity financing is when a company raising funds by selling ownership, stakes, or shares to invest in exchange for capital. It likes inviting investors to become part owner of the business with promise to share in profit and growth, but without the obligation to repay the invested money. When we say trade credit is when a suppliers allow customer to purchase good or services on a credit, meaning the customer can pay for them later. It's like buying something new and pay it later. But interest of owning money to the bank. You can own it the suppliers who provided the goods or service. Leasing is when you rent something like a land for a set a period in exchange for regular payments. It's like borrowing something for a while and paying a fee to use without owning it outright. Partnership is a business structure where two or more individual shares ownership and responsibilities for running the business. It's like teaming up with friends and to start a business together with each partner and contributing resources, sharing profits, and making decision joint.